Greetings and salutations. I hope that you are doing well. And when I say I hope that you're doing well, I actually hope that you're doing well, because the thought of you going through pain, it's just like crazy. People shouldn't have to feel pain, right? But it's a part of life. So I kind of hope that you're doing well. But even if you're not doing well, that's just what life is. Life. Anyways, a quick update. And I don't even know why I'm updating people. Is it that I believe I'm so important that I need to give people updates? Like, no. And was that funny? I don't know. But anyways, yeah. I'm sorry. I have a broken sense of. Wait, hold on. This shouldn't be like funny or anything. It's a serious time. All right. I'm sorry. Why am I apologizing? This is Bwoizy Unhinged. Welcome to the podcast. All right. Anyway, so I signed up for therapy. It's sometime in a couple weeks because, as I said, apparently a lot of people need help, and the therapist is booked and busy. And making money in these times, maybe I should consider becoming a therapist. That's crazy. I don't even. Let me perish the thought right now. I can't. I could never do that. Anyways, yeah. So cool. I decided to do that, and I've also decided that I did what I had to do. It was a good run. I had fun. I learned lessons, and it was great. Entertaining you, I guess that's what it was. It was some form of entertainment. But I feel like it's time to move on and do something else, because life is all about growth, right? So it's just time to move on, and it was great. Thank you for being here. I receive your love and well wishes and understanding at this time, as what am I even doing? Like, why am I telling people that I'm not trying to be all up in your face anymore? I don't even have to tell you, what I'm guessing. Yeah, it was what it was. Let's say cheers, and at the same time, good riddance, because we have to have balance. We have to have balance here. Balance in the courtroom. In the courtroom, balance. We need balance in the scales of justice. So we must acknowledge the good as well as the bad. So really and truly, it's cheers and good riddance. It's time to do something new. I guess I'm going to be a career person now and live like a dull, boring, uninteresting life like most people. I hope that doesn't sound condescending. I mean, if your life is boring, and that's just what it is. All right, cool. We can accept that. Great, nice. So yeah, let me try and see things through the lens of quote unquote regular people. That sounded a little bit condescending, but am I being for real, or am I just joking about this? What part am I joking about? The world may never know. Oh my goodness. I tell people, I'm truly unhinged sometimes. But anyways, cool. This is really goodbye. Not goodbye from life itself. I told you I'm going to go and get help. Yeah. Alright, I'm sorry. Why am I apologizing? I shouldn't be apologizing for anything. So yeah. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Goodness. Why is my mind so scattered? But anyways, yeah man. This is stage exit left. It was good. I'm grateful. I thank you. Goodbye.